You remember in kindergarten or first grade of elementary, the volume of the cylinder, what is the formula? Is the area of the base times the height. Simple. What is the area of the face? Piston displacement is equal to what? The area of the base, pi times the diameter squared divided by 4 times the stroke. Yes or not? This is the volume of the cylinder, and this is the piston displacement. It's the amount of air or mixture that you can introduce in one cylinder. And what is the meaning of engine displacement? It's the total. Cylinder 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 8. That's the supposed total amount in ideal theoretical. Okay, engine displacement is equal to piston displacement times the number of cylinders. It's piston displacement times 6 cylinder or 8 cylinder, depending on the amount of cylinder. That's it. And what is the unit of a piston displacement and engine displacement? Cubic inches or cubic centimeters or liters. You have conversion about liters to cubic centimeter or liter to cubic inches. Is clear, my friends? For example, pay attention. I have an engine that is 5.7 liters. What is the meaning of that number, 5.7? This is what? Engine displacement. And I know the diameter of the cylinder, 4.3 inches. I know the engine displacement, 5.7, or in cubic inches, 350 cubic inches. I know the diameter of the cylinder, the bore. Can I know the stroke? Yes, you calculate the formula. Pay attention. In that particular case, you say 350. The engine displacement is equal to pi times the bore, 4.3 squared divided by 4 times the stroke and times the number of cylinders. Times the number of cylinders. The stroke is
right, but wouldn't you calculate it with one stroke? So
the same. Yeah, it's exactly the same. The formula says, look, piston displacement is this times the stroke for one piston. For engine displacement is that one times the number of cylinders.
He's trying to figure out how you get the stroke out of that equation.
Yeah, how do you calculate stroke?
Simple. Kindergarten. Okay. How much is this? Pi times 4.93 divided. How much is this? Suppose that the engine is 8 cylinders. Okay, a stroke is equal to, follow me guys,
14.5
is equal to 350 times 4 divided by pi and divided by 4.3 square and divided by 8 cylinders. This is the stroke. You multiply this, you divide it by this, and this is the stroke. No? Justin? You pass one. Look, I want to calculate this. This one pass in the bottom. This one pass on top. This one pass in the bottom. And this one pass in the bottom. And this is the stroke.
So